Use a green yarn. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Bring to index finger. Wind the yarn around the middle finger. Pinch with your thumb. Crochet 5 single crochets. Crochet a cast on. Pass through the loop on the middle finger. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast on. Crochet 5 single crochets. Pass through the cast on ring, wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. The first stitch is done. Crochet a single crochet. Pass through the cast on ring, wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Pass through the cast on ring, wind and yarn over. 3 stitches are done. Pass through the cast on ring, wind and yarn over. Pass through the cast on ring. Wind and yarn over. 5 single crochets are done. Tighten the end of the yarn. Tighten it. Like this. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch to form a ring like this. Pass through the first stitch. Wind and yarn over, yarn over. Tighten it. Crochet a cast on. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast on. Crochet 2 single crochets in every stitch of single crochet. This is the increase of single crochet. The stitch that makes a slip stitch. The stitch of cast on. Crochet 2 single crochets. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Go on a single crochet in the same stitch. Pass through, wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Crochet 2 single crochets in next stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Pass through the stitch, wind and yarn over. Continue to crochet 2 single crochets. Ten single crochets are done. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over, yarn over. The second lap is done. The third lap is to crochet this like this. Crochet a chain stitch. Crochet 5 chain stitches. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the second stitch. Crochet a single crochet. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. This is a single crochet. Crochet a half double crochet in next stitch, wind. Pass through the stitch. There are 3 loops on the crochet yarn over the 3 loops. Crochet a half double crochet in next stitch. Wind and pass through the stitch, wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 3 loops. Crochet a double crochet in next stitch, wind. Pass through the stitch, wind and yarn over. There are 3 loops on the crochet. Wind and yarn over the first 2 loops. Wind and yarn over the remaining 2 loops. This is the first stitch, skip. The second stitch, make a slip stitch. With the third stitch, pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over, yarn over. Like this, crochet 5 chain stitches. Wind and yarn over. Crochet a single crochet in the second stitch. Pass through the second stitch. Wind and yarn over, yarn over. Crochet a half double crochet in next stitch. Wind and pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 3 loops. Wind. Yarn over, wind and yarn over the 3 loops. Crochet a double crochet, wind and pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the remaining 2 loops. Skip this stitch, make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Pass through the stitch, wind and yarn over. Continue 5 chain stitches. Repeat this way. Make a slip stitch. With the first stitch, the jaw is done, pull off the loop. Cut off the yarn. The jaw is done. After that, crochet the yarn into this place with needle or crochet. Thread into a needle. Pass through this place. Pass through this place. Like this. The jaw is done. Adjust it, pass through the middle of the jaw. With needle or crochet. Thread into needle. Pass through the middle of the jaw, pull it out. The main part of rows is done.